Hi, as we learned what are robots and some cool features of that, and some programs to command a robot to do task, and we have even studied how to make a delivery robot which delivers food and parcels, etc. And today, what we are going to learn is how to make a patrolling robot. Have you wondered how the police or the security guard of our surrounding will guard us? Let's take this as an our city. So what does police do? Police will be or guards will be having some a particular way, like square or a circular or any way, like any direction or something like that, and they will move in the same direction repeatedly and in a particular timing. So that is how they keep an eye on everything, like if there is any activity or anything going on. So that is how they work. So as we saw here, a robot moved so many steps here and again turn right and again turn right and move forward, again right and move forward. So this car is patrolling in this square route. So now this is not a robot, right? Why? Because I have controlled it and I have made it move in a square path. So I want it to do all by itself. So how to do that? Let's see. Come on. So first we will go to controls and my programs. As we know that my program is the most important block because it contains all the information of our program. And after that move forward. This block is used to move forward, to move our robot in a straight path. So after moving forward, I don't want it just to move forward. We want it in a square route, right? After moving forward, I want it to turn right. After turning right, so our robot now will move forward one step and turn right and just stop. I don't want it to stop there, right? So we want some more blocks, like again move forward. um let's say we will move forward 3 steps, so again move forward and move forward. Here we can use shortcuts too by using loops. But why we are not using loop? Because after this we will be adding some sensors too, either in this video or in next coming some videos. So after making 3 steps to move forward after turning right, then again we want our robot to turn right. After turning right again, we will move forward 2 steps or 3 steps, move forward and move forward. So now we have commanded our robot to move forward, turn right, move forward, and again move forward and move forward, turn right, move forward and forward. So now what it does, so it will move forward first. So if we see the first block is after first block, after turning right, there are 3 steps to move. After the second one, why are there 2 steps? Because we have a third step here. So it is like repeating the values. So after this, the second block, the program will be going to here in this path. So this is how it works. So next what we are going to do is we will see how it works. So our robot moved 1 step and 3 steps forward. So it has stopped here. So if we like repeat it again and again, it will be coming back to this path. That is what the magic of programming is. We will go to loop, we will drag the first block and we will place it under my program. Now we have placed it, but how do we take these blocks in do section? So first block, click on the first block and drag it on do. And how many times we want it to repeat? Let's say we want it to repeat 5 times. 5 or 6. Yeah, 6 times. Enter. So now our robot will repeat the same task 6 times by making a square. So now it is not making a square, right? So let's start it. So as we saw, our robot is moving all by itself by making a perfect square path. Before it wasn't making, right? It was just coming halfway and stopping it here. So this is how we code our robots to move in a particular like route, like square, or it can be any route. Like you can say that to move forward and turn right and turn left in a zigzag form, or you can make a robot and implement in your streets and command it as per your street designs. So that's it for today, and see you in the next video, Future Robot Builder.